ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Yes, but before class starting the class, what you have to do? We have to greet ourselves, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೂ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಹಾಯ್, ಹಲೋ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಿಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಗೇನೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ 2 clubbings like in your EPL. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಥೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬಿಸಿ ಡೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್, your literally companion app. In that you can watch this story a busy day. Okay, this is related to your daily routine. Actually this is a komodo, wide-eye komodo. Okay, on the basis of the features of the or characteristics of the early komodo, we were learning the story. You all already learned this in your pre-KG, nursery and also in LKG. The last version is your UKG. Okay, what they given there is that in a busy day. Good morning. Wide-eye hooted. It's time for you to rise. It's time to start a brand new day. Wish, fresh and open eyes. This is the what song? The hooted. Hooted means who is he? This is the owl. He started telling to everyone, good morning. See, the pretty sun is rising on the sky. You all get up, wake up. It's the first time is your waking up time. Every day I'm telling you, no, you have to wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. You have to wake up at 6 a.m. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳಬೇಕು. Getting up time. Okay, getting up andre you have to fresh up. You have to finish your brushing things, take a bath, comb your hairs and get ready. Why you have to get ready? At the time of 7 you should start and finish all your daily routine. Breakfast time. Next, after getting ready, what you have to do? You have to eat your breakfast. Lots of shiny faces. What the breakfast? Everyone will eat on their own basis. Some will eat idli, vada, some will eat poha. Like that, the animals will eat their breakfast like meat, fresh and all. And the honeybees will eat the honey in the breakfast time. Like that, it's a breakfast time. After that, what is that? 9 o'clock. It's your school time. Correct? No? After getting ready. After your lunch, breakfast, you have to go to the school. That is a school time. 9 a.m. is your school time. In the school, what you do? There will be some periods like language class, mathematics class, team time, like that. One time is also there, that is play time. 10 o'clock, you will get a play time and a short break time. Correct? No? In the school. Tidy up time. Tidy up time in the sense 11 o'clock. That time, what you will do in the 11 o'clock? You will finish all your learning things and you start your homework part. You start writing there. Then short break time. 12 o'clock, you get a short break. No, every day we will give you one short break at 12 o'clock. That time you will eat your fresh vegetables and fruits. Next, nap time. Here in the higher classes, LKG, UKG, we will not give nap time. In playgroups and also in nursery, we will give 10 minutes nap time. That time you can sleep. After learning, after having your small break, you can sleep there. Then walk in the park or your play time. That is the 4 o'clock. After going home, you have to sleep for some time. Then you go for park to play. That is your parking time. I mean play in the park time. Next is your reading time. Every day after 6 o'clock you have to sit and read for 2 hours. Every time I was studying the same thing they are told in the book also. You have to sit and read. Then 8 o'clock dinner time. 8 o'clock it's your dinner time. At 8 o'clock p.m. in the night you have to sit and have your dinner. Either with the family, if your papa is coming late or your mama is busy some other work, you have to eat your own self. Then it's a story time, correct? No? Before when you go to bed, you have to hear a good and moral story. Any story in any language, you can hear one story. Bedtime stories, right? No? Bedtime stories. You can take the story listening with your grandfathers or with your parents also. Okay, that is the 8:30 p.m. Then 9 o'clock it's a bedtime, correct? No? At the sharp 9 you should sleep in your bed. Before sleeping what you have to do? Again you have to brush your teeth, wash your face, wash your hands and legs, and then apply the moisturizer. Then you can go to sleep. This is the daily routine. The same thing they have explained in a busy day book, correct? No? Whole the day you will be very busy if you follow the times. Okay? Yes, children, you understood? Yes. Now we will move to our what? Class, online class. Okay? First we will move with English. We were learning about blends. We were learning about blends. In that we were learning R blends, R family, correct? No? Already we finished the which we finished. Yes. Before the R we finished L. L blends is finished. No? Now we are going to R. In the R we already learned BR family. What and all we learned? BR, CR, then FR, then what? DR. This one's family we learned, correct? No? BR, CR, FR and DR we learned. Today we are going to learn our next family, that is GR. We are going to learn our next family, that is GR. What are the words? Green, grapes, grow, grab. So many words are there. You are taking for your example. Green, grapes, grow, grab. Green andre it's a name of color. Grapes it's a fruit name. Grow, younger and younger. Grow, taller and taller ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಉದ್ದ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ grow. The plants grew very long and long ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ. grab ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಸಿದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ grab. Okay? This is some words from GR family. Next is PR. Next family is PR. Pray, proud, prove, pretty. Okay? Pray, proud, true and pretty. Pray, proud, true and pretty. These all are some words belong to PR family. Okay? Pray andre every day you need to pray for the God. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ pray ಅಂತೀವಿ. Proud. I am proud to be a teacher. I am proud to be a boy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೌಡ್. ಪ್ರೂವ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡೈಲಿ. ನೀನು ಡೈಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಟಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೆಟಿ. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೆಟಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, now the same thing we will learn in our Discover phonic book. Please open your Discover phonic book. With me you have to read. In that Discover phonic book, page number 12. What is that? Grain, grapes, greed, green. What they are given? Grain, grapes, greed, green. Grain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು grain ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Grapes already you know, it's a fruit. Greed, greed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? greed. Okay, green, green ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a color name. Already I told you, it's a color name. Next one, pear, pram. pram ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ತೊಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ pram. Pray, pray ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಯು ಪ್ರೇ ನೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಗಾಡ್, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ pray. Prize, when you won the race or you won anything competition, they will give one what? Salute to you, like the in the form of a prize. Prop, prop andre yes, the angels what? That magic stick, it is called a prop. Okay, yes, this is the Discover phonic book, page number 12. This is your homework. You need to read, you have to read the words. The same thing you have to write in your phonic activity book. Phonic activity book, page number 45. Okay, page number 45. What they are given there? They are given the same things. Grain, grapes, green, green. You have to write, first you have to write your name, next you have to write the date, then you have to write two times what they are given. Just go through that, write it neatly and see that how they have started and where they have ended. In this they are taken small g, all has been started with the blue line and ended with the red line. You need to concentrate on the same thing, children. Okay, start with the blue line and end with the red line wherever required. Okay, next is pram, pray, prize and prop. The same thing you have to write two times in your phonic activity book. First you have to read Discover phonic book, then the same thing you have to write in your phonic activity book. This is the English one part. Now we move to the second part, that is sight words. In the sight word, every time I am telling you what is a sight word. Sight word is nothing but the words which we use frequently in making the sentences. Whenever you have to make the sentences with the noun, with the pronoun, with the adjective, with the verbs, with the action words, one or two sight word has to be there. Other than all these action words, verbs, noun, pronoun, adverbs, conjunctions or any other thing, there should be a word which will join and frame the sentence. That is called a sight words. Okay, today we are going to learn a sight word, can. Can ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಊಟ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. I can see you behind the behind the tree. Okay, I can see you hiding behind the tree. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ನೀನು ಮರದಿಂದ ಆವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ನಾನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. I can see you hiding behind the tree. The next one is I can eat 10 idlis at a time. Okay, I can eat 10 idlis at a time. ಒಂದು ಸಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು 10 ಇಡ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನಬಹುದು. I can eat 10 idlis at a time. Okay, I can run fast. You know, I can run fast. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಓಡೋಗಬಹುದು. ಹೋಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನಾವೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಈಟ್, ನಿನಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟ್, ನಾನು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Today's third homework is write 5 sentences using side word can. Okay, write 5 sentences using side word can. Okay, you have to write 5 sentences as usual in your 4 lines book. You have to write 5 sentences using the side word can. Can resembles both the thing I can and can you. Question ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That all depends on your sentence framing. Okay, yes, yes. Now we will move to next thing, that is our which class? It's our maths class. In the maths class, we were learning big, bigger, biggest. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? We were learning big, bigger, biggest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ big, bigger, biggest. I'll take one example of a ladder. See, see what? This is ladder. Okay, this is the example ladder. What is this? This is big. This is bigger. And the last one is biggest. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. ಇದನ್ನ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಿಗರ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Otherwise, we will take another one example of a cat. A ಗಿಂತ B ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, A cat ಗಿಂತ B cat ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ big ಇಂದ bigger. Next C. C is biggest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು cat. Okay? Bigger ಗಿಂತ biggest. B ಗಿಂತ C biggest ಇದೆ. Okay? A, B, C. A is bigger, B is bigger than A and C is biggest than A and B. For example, I'll show you the same thing. Some, can you see the top of water building? This is the building blocks what which will play at home. So many are there. This top I created here. Can you see the three colors here? Yes, no? According to our concept, this is big, the red one is biggest and the blue one is, sorry, according to this, this is big, red one is bigger and the blue one is biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Like that, I'll show another one thing. Okay, can you see the trees here? Yes, you can see the tree. I hope this is big, the second one is bigger and this is the biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, idu concept of big, bigger, biggest. You can go through so many things here. Can you see the apple here, children? Yes. This is too small, so you can neglect this one. You take only these three. This is big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Or if you go vice versa, biggest, bigger, big. Biggest, bigger, big. Okay? Hope understood? Yes. This is the concept of big, bigger and biggest. Okay? The homework is, take your mathematics readiness book, MR book. In that, page number 2. Okay, what they are given? Big, bigger, biggest concept. In that, you have to first you have to write your name, then you have to put the date. Example: big, bigger, biggest. They are given sheep as a big, lion as a bigger, and elephant as a biggest. Okay, the picture that is bigger and cross the picture that is biggest. Only they are given tick the picture that is bigger and cross the picture that is biggest. They are given 3 houses there. One is the hut, another one is palace and another one is the big building. Okay, you just see which is big, which is bigger and which is biggest. Tick the picture that is bigger, middle one, and cross the picture that is biggest, which is too biggest, that you have to cross it off. Circle the picture that is bigger than the other. They are given 2 strawberry. In that you have to circle the picture that is bigger than the other. Next, draw a bigger apple. Next is you have to, what they are given, one apple they are given, you have to draw a bigger apple than that. Okay, this is the concept of big, bigger and biggest. The another one homework is in your square book. You have to draw 4 different pictures to show big, bigger, biggest. Color big with pink, bigger with green, you have to write 4 pictures, not 4 different pictures, like 4 examples you have to write. 4 example you have to write. If you take a tree, that should be 3 trees, big, bigger, biggest. If you take a bird, you have to take 3 pictures, big, bigger, biggest bird, like that. 4 different pictures. You have to write 4 examples. Okay? Each example, each example you have to color the big picture with pink, bigger with green, and biggest with yellow. Okay? Understood? Yes. This is the homework for your maths. Now we are moving to our next class, that is Hindi. In the last class, what you learned? Yes. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha. Correct, no? In the last class, we learned Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha. Correct, no? Today we are going to learn next set, that is Sha, Sa, Ha, Na, Tra. Okay? Sha, Sa, Ha, Ksha, Tra, and Nya. Okay? This is the last set of Hindi letters. Okay? Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, Ksha, Tra, Nya. Okay? This is the last set of Hindi. Okay? What words will come that I write here? Sha se शपथ. Okay? सा से सरल. Don't bad for your oral thing I am writing. Okay? हा से हाथी. क्ष से क्षत्रिय. त्र से त्रिशूल. Okay? त्रिशूल. न से न्यारी. Okay? This is the last set of your Hindi Varnamala. Okay? Shansa are Ksha, Tra, and Nya. Understood, children? Yes. The homework is, as usual, complete all the letters in Hindi practice book. Okay, complete all the letters in Hindi practice book. Yes, hope you all understood today's class. Take care.